everybody. So I'm going to be reviewing some items that I got off of Flip from the On the House section and wanted to show you what it looks like on. I got this scarf. I'm going to show you in better lighting too. I'm going to do a whole little look with it. And here we go. Okay, welcome to my floor. I'm going to do a very quick makeup look to complement this. I wanted to show just several looks that you can get from this scarf. I wanted to do the shirt first. I think it's a cute little look, and I will be showing you other looks as well. Look. I've been saying that a lot. Let's get to it. I'm doing like a very, very small coat on the top, but I do need my mirror like up here, so I'm going to be covering myself. It might be a little chaotic and awkward here. But yeah, I have this. So, we do this. I'm just doing the end here. This week has been a little bit crazy, so I broke out in terms of stress. But I don't want too much makeup on my face because I know I'm going to be sweating this off. So I'm just going to do like very, very light makeup. I'm using a super, super old palette. I mean it when I say super old. I'm not sanitary at all when it comes to my makeup because I know I'm the only one that's used it. It's like broken and everything, but it's okay because I'm trying to use it up. I'm trying to not just like throw things out before I use them, you know? So you're gonna see me be literally insane with this. I'm gonna go for like this light green here and then possibly a light blue. I think I'm even gonna add blue because I just want like a soft look. I don't want to go too crazy. So it's very, very light. Very light green. Okay, I'm gonna add just a tinge of blue. I'm gonna add it on in the middle. Yeah. Just a cute little. You know, so that's eyes, and now I'm gonna move on to just like a little bit of. I got this in Colombia, so I'm gonna try it with this look. It's just like a lip balm with a little bit of coloring. It's not too much. I want a very like chill look. Cool. Okay. Now it's time to get creative with hair and with the pants I'm gonna be wearing and shoes. I also forgot. I like to do this just like a little bit to fluff my brows up. I don't like to do too much because I have long brows at certain parts and then like super thin in other parts. But I'm not. Just like a cute little thing with it. Okay, so here's the final look. It's a little weird because I know these are like really, really baggy, but I put some earrings on and I have these going for me. I think it's cute. I think it's like a weird mixture of things. I am going to show you other ways to wear this scarf so that, you know, this outfit, if you don't like it, like I like it because it's comfy. It kind of gives like a little bit of like sass to it just because of how baggy the pants are. And I like my shoes. I think it's cute. So I will show you another way to wear this scarf. So you can always wear it like this, but I wear like this, right? That's cute. But I won't get too much makeup on. I just realized my microphone was over here. I was saying that you could always wear it the other way, like around your neck, but I think this is cute too. You know? It's it's giving urban farm girl. I just messed up my hair. But like it's cute. You could also just do that. It's cute. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's cute, right? Like that. Some ways that you could wear this scarf. I really like this scarf. Here too. This didn't work out as well as I thought it would. You can see what I'm at least trying to go for here. I'm just doing this for now. This is the Everyday Beauty scarf by Morning Glamour. This is the packaging it came in, and these are the different ways that you could wear it. That's what I like about it. Like, I think it's a durable enough scarf, and if you wear a lot scarves, or you like to change it up every now and then, you could, you know, find different ways to wear it. You could just do like a cute, like really cute kind of barely there shirt with it. You could tie it the way I had it. You could figure out different ways to do things. I tend to like scarves. It's not just for hair, but also to have cute little shirts like that. I tend to like to show off my body when I can because I work out a lot, like a lot, a lot, a lot. And so I like to show off my arms. I haven't worked out in the past week. I've been a little sick, but that's what I like to do. So, yeah. So, would I recommend this scarf? Yeah, I actually really like it. It's a large enough scarf. It's a pretty nice big scarf. It's not even super, super thin or super sheer. So I like it because it's a lot of styling potential here. Cute, cute little home thing. Or I can put it on. It is 100% polyester, which I don't tend to like 100% polyester, but that also means that unfortunately, like it's one of those things that you can go outside and wear, just don't catch fire with it on.
That has been my review. Thank you for watching.